Want to build a great career in marketing by gaining excellence in marketing strategy? Take a look at this course called Marketing Strategy Excellence, where you will not only learn in depth how to become excellent in marketing strategy with concrete advice, actionable advice, tools, techniques, processes, and methodology, but also skill yourself by doing a real life case in addition to many case studies in these sections. Attend video sessions to clear your doubts on this topic anytime. Get 30 days money back guarantee from Udemy. Preview for yourself first 2 lectures for free. And if you like the content, enroll for the course, enjoy and gain excellence in marketing strategy and build a great career in marketing.